By the end of this video, you will know how to use board templates in monday.com. Start by signing in to your monday.com account. Once you are in, make sure you are looking at the workspace where you want the new board to be created. This matters because the template will be added from within that workspace, and placing it in the right location from the start helps avoid moving it later. Next, look near the workspace name and click the plus button. This opens the menu for adding something new to that workspace. If your screen has several options close together, take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the plus button tied to the correct workspace before you continue. From the Add New menu, choose Template Center. Monday.com will open the area where templates are stored. Depending on your connection or the size of your workspace, this may take a moment to load. Once it appears, you will be able to look through the available board templates. At this point, you can either browse the template library or use the search bar to narrow the results. Browsing is useful if you want to look through categories and see what is available. Searching is better when you already have a type of board in mind and want to find a closer match. As you move through the options, pay attention to the overall structure of each board, since the template layout will shape the board that gets created. When you find a template that fits what you need, click on it to open the preview. The preview gives you a closer look at how the board is organized before you create it. This is where you can check whether the columns, groups, and general setup match the kind of work you plan to track. If the template looks right, click Use Template. Monday. Com will create a new board based on that selection. You may need to wait briefly while the board is generated. Once it opens, you will be looking at a working board that was built from the template you chose. The last part is customization. Rename the board so it reflects the project, process, or team you are using it for. Then adjust the columns, groups, or items as needed. You might keep most of the original structure and only change the title, or you might update several parts of the board so it better fits your workflow. The goal here is to make the template useful for your specific situation, rather than leaving it in its default form. After those updates are in place, the board is ready to use inside your workspace. Your new monday.com board has now been created from a template and customized for your needs.